good. Love the way you do both. Swear I gotta keep you close. Drop dead, go to shake you for a pop.
I just spun around to do that and it made me dizzy. Hi everyone, welcome back to K London. I am on my way out. It's Saturday afternoon. As you can see, oh, the sun is out. Oh my goodness, we're near the end of September and the sun is still out. I'm so grateful to God, because I remember back in the day when I used to go to high school, right? September was always amazing. You'd always start the new year with summer clothes, and then you'd obviously start putting on more layers as time went on. But now, like, normally September, especially since I've moved up north, is always cold. So I'm grateful. I've literally just got a bomber jacket on, and you know what I thought earlier? I haven't worn this bomber jacket in a really long time. I've had it for probably 6 years, and when you don't wear something for a long time, then you put it on, it feels brand new. But also, because I look after my stuff, it looks brand new. So I'm grateful even more. Right, and then I am off to do some shopping. I am doing some DIY today, or this weekend. I showed you guys when I bought the unit from IKEA, and I want to paint it red. No, sorry, what am I thinking? Why did I just say red? Red's my favorite color, but I'm not painting it red. I want to paint it white. Why did I say red? Anyway, so I'm going to Home Base to go and get the paint, the roller, the something's on my face. Why is it always something on my face when I talk to you guys? I'm going to get the paint, the roller, the sandpaper, and the paintbrush, so that I can do it. So I'm going to show you guys. Obviously you saw you saw it when I bought it, and I'm going to show you the finished product. And what's really good is that when I do stuff, no matter what it is, I put my heart and soul into it. And so I'm obviously hoping that it comes out perfect, because that is always the goal. So stay tuned. Look at someone's bin. That is so disgusting. Who knew there was so much different types of paint? I'm gonna have a whale of a time looking. Okay, I was told to get satin for wood, so this is gonna be fun. Let's see how quickly it takes me to do it without asking for help, because I prefer to just ask for help sometimes instead of just looking at everything. But hey, let's see if I can do it. Found this. It is cool white satin for wood and refurbishment. So I'm going to do that because I am refurbishing it, and I'm going to get like 3 small ones because I don't need these big massive sizes. Alright, so look, I just found this change of plan, because it made me feel like, what if those little ones finish and then I have to come back and get more? So this should be good. And this is quick dry satin brilliant white for wood. That's what I'm getting. But wait, look at this, non-drip. What do I do? Oh my gosh, because this is quick dry as well as non-drip. Do I do that? No drips, no mess, tough and durable, stays white. Liquid formulation, tough and durable, touch dry in 1 hour. Oh my gosh. And this is the last one. You know God does that when it's meant for you. Okay, this one. Now I need this. So much options. Is this too big? So I found a mini one. I think that's good, and then it's got two, so at least I can change it. Right, this one. Now guess what? I've got to get a paintbrush, and I don't have a clue which type. Great. And look how much options there are. This is no joke. Look, there's even paints just for wood. This is no joke. I've actually learnt so much. Oh, but this says gloss. Oh, goodness gracious. Can I get it even if it just said... I'm getting it. So I just noticed the other one said walls and ceilings, so I'm getting this one for woodwork. This is no joke. I hope they know what they're doing. Because why can't you use one of these for... Oh, actually no. I get it. I get it. This one is kind of foamy. So the last thing on the list, yeah, I don't know, I've been holding it without it being locked, and I've added words and stuff. There was obviously not QWERTY in there before, so what on earth? Okay, the last thing I'm supposed to be getting is the Scotch pad, green. So I just realised I can get it from here. Yes, God is so good to me. Right, so... scouring. That's pretty much the same thing, scouring. I don't want silver. I don't need heavy duty. I think this one will be good. But I don't need this much. That's the problem actually. Can't I just get like one? Never mind. I'll just take all of them. You would never guess what, yeah? I haven't calculated it all yet, but this is turning out to be more than I paid for the actual unit. This is ridiculous. But I can't wait to see what it looks like, because obviously I'm doing it and I'm a perfectionist. So, I'm excited. My little DIY projects. Alright everyone, so I just got back home. That was the first step to be a Miss DIY Queen. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, okay? So here goes, I'm going to start doing it. I'm probably not going to film it because, yeah, I need to have music on, I need to be comfortable, I need to get the job done. I can't do it outside because I was told by my godfather that if I do it outside and it's windy, then things will get stuck on the paint. So I can't do it outside. I wanted to, but I suppose that's where you have like a big outhouse type shed where you can do things outside, but I could feel a bit of a breeze, so I'm not chancing it because I want it to be smooth and clean and brilliant white. So stay tuned, and I've got something to show you. I've got to film the last one. Is it the last one tonight? Yeah, I think so. And then I've got something to show you at the end of this video, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. And wait a minute, make sure you follow me on Instagram at KLondonTV. And if you're interested in more of what I post on Instagram, follow me on Kaisha Online, follow me on Spark Sunglasses, follow me on Sophisticated KTs. Just follow your girl. Okay, and yeah, stay tuned. Alright everyone, so it's the next day and I am so over the moon. I literally woke up this morning. I always wake up and give God thanks and pray and just be grateful for life and for what happened yesterday that led me to the next day, or for what's going to happen today, just my health and strength, everything, right? But this morning when I got up, I went to sleep at about 2 o'clock, right? and I just woke up at 8:40. It's now like 20 something past 9, and I'm like, I have to get up and do this. My room is an absolute mess because I moved stuff over to the other side so I can literally do the painting, right? So because of how I am, I can't function in mess, so I have to do this now. So last night, well, this morning, I finished painting it. I wanted it to dry overnight so I can like finalize it today, get my bedroom back in order, like let it be organized all over again, and obviously have a little bit of newness, but you know what I mean. So that's why I'm literally up as soon as I've woken up. But I gave God thanks for the fact that I did it. I did it. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Praise the Lord on a Sunday morning. So the only thing is, because of the new layers of paint on it, the shelves that go above the drawer, they can't fit, they're too tight. So what I've decided to do is sand it down and then put them in. I'm going to do it a little tiny bit so there's not an edge on either side, like a gap on either side. But that's literally it. I did it. So when I go back upstairs, I will show you, and I'm going to get my bedroom back in order. I've got stuff that I need to go in the drawers, my business stuff. And yeah, I'm so excited to have it. I did it. I've got to file down this side because this is where it's tight. These are supposed to rest on the little notch things that are sticking out, but it's too tight. So I've got to just file that down a little bit on both of them, and they will go right into that space. I did it, everyone. I'm just going to put the drawers in, so it's not actually complete, but it is complete. But I'll show you the video from when I had it in IKEA, and I did it. I did it. I literally came to IKEA to look here. I never thought I'd find anything, but look at what I found. A unit that I literally want to organise my business stuff. We just got to work out how to get it home. Oh my goodness, you guys know I love the moon, so I have to show you this, and I feel like I need to document it for the rest of the week. Today is Wednesday, so I'm hoping that I can see it for the rest of the week so I can show you, because it will change slightly each day. I need to get a telescope because, oh my gosh, I'm a moon fanatic. Oh no, get clear. Oh no, it's blurry. I wonder if there's a cloud over it. Oh no. Oh wait, there we go. Oh gosh, look. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. And you know what's crazy? Every time I see it, I'm in more and more awe, as if I haven't seen it before. Oh my gosh, look at that glow. Okay, let's wait until tomorrow and see what it looks like. You guys, I'm recording it again. It's the next day. Today is Thursday the 16th, and it's more to the left at the moment, so I'm gonna have to see. I can't remember what time I did this yesterday. But yesterday it was right in front of me, and now it's more to my left. Oh, there is a bird. Look how bright it is. Oh my gosh. The only thing is, I should be putting my camera on the tripod to do this, and I don't, so my hand gets shaky. Look at that colour. Come on, focus. Focus, focus. Oh. Yeah, I'm silly for not putting it on the tripod. I promise I'll do it tomorrow. Look! Oh goodness, look how bright it is. That is just amazing. I'm going to look again in a couple of hours to see if it's back in the middle. Look at that, it's over to the left where it was over here in the middle yesterday. Alright everyone, so I've got my tripod now. I was so lazy the past 2 days, and I was like, no, because I'm shaking. So I got my tripod. It's been really cloudy today. I thought it wasn't gonna clear so I could see the moon, but I'm like, no, I want to do this 4 days in a row. Today's the 3rd day, so come on clouds, And look, the clouds have moved. It mightn't. I don't know if actually the clouds are going over it now. Can you see that? Oh no. The clouds are moving. Last but not least, it's a very nearly full moon. I didn't take my tripod out tonight, so sorry I'm a bit shaky. Oh my gosh, look. I had the mask on to make sure that I didn't breathe in all of that, like sawdust and stuff. But anyway, I did it. I just brought them back inside. I'm gonna sign out here because you'll never guess that I have to edit this video so you can see it in a couple of hours. That's how busy I am, okay, and productive. But you will obviously be seeing it in a couple of hours because you're probably watching this right now. That makes no sense. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I am officially, let me give it enough space to put a crown on my head. I am officially the queen of DIY. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and have a good day wherever you are from K London. I've got work to do.